I'm Kobus Valentine. I'm the Chief Business Establishment and Head of Product Management at Global Command and Control Technologies. We provide enabled awareness and decision-augmented solutions to our end users. Chaka is a command and control system that enables commanders to see the area of operations on one screen, providing him all the information that he requires to make a decision at that specific point in time. It will be impossible for a commander to go to every screen of the sensors that he deploys in his area of operations and try to make sense of it. So Chaka brings all that information together so that it makes sense and enable faster decision making. We integrate it with any sensor and any means of communication. So we are sensor agnostic, we are communication agnostic, and we are also vehicle agnostic. So we can deploy Chaka anywhere that the end user require command and control. It can be deployed in the operational environment, conventional environment, can also be deployed as part of the border safeguarding function of that country, and also in peacekeeping operations. And we have adjusted the Chaka to be utilized by other government agencies as well.